Hey guys, I'm Rogut and this is my rant. We believe in the diversity of thought on this channel, and let's get into it. If you like content like this, maybe a sub. Alright, so like I promised, today is going to be an unboxing of my new coin. I'll show you what it is once I open it. And yeah, so another thing to add to my stack. It's gold this time, a very small amount of gold, but still gold. And yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, I'm gonna unbox it. Let's see here. Alright. Can use some scissors. Okay, alright. You see, literally, this time it's actually a box. And last time I did one of these, it's more of just a bag. Alright, here it comes. Alright, let's get a gander at what's in there. This is the packing materials, and in here is the coin in the bubble wrap. So I will get that open for you guys. Let's get that box out of here. We can use our trusty scissors again. Alright, let's do it. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Alright, here it is. Comes with a little, it's like a little piece of paper telling you, like, oh, you ordered this, and your order number is that, and it was this much money, and blah, blah, blah. So, that's that. So, yeah, this is a half-ounce. This is a half-ounce Australian lunar pig. Year of the pig and stuff like that. So, it says Australia because it has, like, the queen on it. Like it says half ounce, so you know you can't really see it that well, but it says, you know, half ounce, 0.9999 gold, 2019, and it has the Queen Elizabeth on the back of it, kind of like right there. I can kind of maybe take this tape off. All right, you can see it a little bit better there. And then on the other side, and there is the pig. There he is. Oink oink. All right. And this is, like I said, this is a half ounce of gold, and it does come in one of these good containers that I don't think I'll open, but it's still cool to have. It's a coin. Like the other gold that I have are just like really small 1 gram and 2.5 gram little bars, so it's nice to have like a coin. So didn't want to spend the full amount of money to get 1 ounce just because, you know, that's just my strategy, I guess you could say. And then, you know, also the amount of money I had at one time. So yeah, so that's the unboxing. This is the year of the pig. It's a really cool looking coin. I love this thing. It's shiny. It's yellow. It's gold. And I recently just got some silver today as well. So that is that. So I'm doing both. All right. So with that unboxing of the pig coin out of the way, I thought I would briefly just discuss different types of notes. So I'm gonna go grab something. All right. So basically, I want to briefly talk about star notes and web notes. And so a star note is made when, you know, a bill is destroyed, it's not printed right, you know, it got, you know, crumpled up in the printing process. So a star note like this one, they make it to replace a bill. So that's why, you know, they're more harder to come by. And I just got 2 more stacks of ones that I'm gonna look through, and I'll make sure I update you guys if I find anything, but I'm not going to make another separate video going through these ones. I already made a video like that. That's not going to be the main focus of the channel. But I'll let you guys know if I find anything cool in my next video. I'll actually make a note of that now. Alright. Let them know fines. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically what a star note is. The camera quality isn't that great. You can't really tell that. You can kind of tell there's a star there. I can kind of look right there. It's right next to the one. It kind of looks just like a little dot. I tried using my webcam on my computer, and the video quality is better, but it said it's the format's not supported, and I'm like, okay, well, why is it not supported? I mean, you let me film it, for crying out loud. So yeah, and then so I told you about the star notes and then web notes. If you ever find any $1 bills that were made in the 90s, look above the E on the word 1 on the back of the bill. Most of the time it's below the E. This one is a 77, the number below the E. And web notes are just, they're more rare. They are just, basically they were just printed a different way. So yeah, I just wanted to explain that little bit right there. And then, there's the tri, bis, and monos, which, if the serial numbers are between just 3 numbers, 2 numbers, or they're all 1 number. And then there's like also ascending and descending ladders. So if it goes like 8 to 1, or 7 to 0, or 1 to 8, you get, ascending, descending, and stuff like that. And also birthday notes. Sometimes it'll say like 10/25, 1999, and that's someone's birthday. I'm not really an expert on if those are really that valuable, but it's just cool to have a birthday note sometimes. All right, so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my half-ounce gold coin pig-looking thing, and the star note, the notes video, and stuff like that. So, if you liked the video, I want you to give it a like. And, if you didn't like the video, if you didn't like my face, if you didn't like my shirt, if you didn't like the topic today, and, if you're just mad at the world, smash that dislike button. It gives me a chance to improve, make better content, make more content, and then, just get better at overall what I'm doing. Alright, so have a great rest of the day and stay safe out there.